Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to AJ's EO Infusions. I'm Jenice Story, and today I'm diving deeper into something many of you have been asking about since our last episode, our essential oil living approach, and specifically this game-changing lip butter scrub that's been transforming my self-care routine. Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our weekly wellness conversations where we explore natural solutions to everyday challenges. Let's talk about something we've all experienced: dry, chapped, uncomfortable lips. How many of you have bought countless lip balms that seem to work at first, but leave your lips more dependent and drier than before? Tried expensive treatments that promise miracle results, but delivered disappointment, worried about the chemicals you're literally ingesting with every application of conventional products, struggled with sensitive lips that react negatively to synthetic ingredients, felt frustrated when your lipstick looks uneven because of flaky skin underneath. I hear these concerns from so many of you, and I lived with these same frustrations for years. Essential oil living isn't just about replacing conventional products with natural alternatives. It's a holistic approach to wellness that recognizes, one, what we put on our bodies is as important as what we put in them. Two, nature provides powerful solutions when we understand how to harness them. Three, self-care rituals should nurture both body and spirit. And four, small, consistent practices create meaningful transformation. When I discovered this philosophy, it completely shifted my approach to personal care. Instead of quick fixes, I began looking for sustainable solutions that supported my body's natural ability to thrive. So what makes this lip butter scrub different from everything else you've tried? First, let's talk ingredients. This formula contains only pure, natural components, organic sugar that gently exfoliates without micro tears, shea and cocoa butter that deeply nourish and restore, jojoba oil that mimics your skin's natural sebum, and essential oils carefully selected for both therapeutic properties and delightful sensory experience. Unlike conventional scrubs that strip your lips, this dual action formula simultaneously exfoliates and nourishes. The transformation happens in 3 phases. 1, release. The gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells and allows your lips to breathe. 2, restore. The butter base delivers deep hydration that penetrates multiple layers. And 3, revitalize. Essential oils stimulate circulation and cellular renewal. I know what some of you might be thinking. I've tried natural products before and they didn't work. Many natural formulations aren't properly balanced or concentrated enough to create real results. This scrub has been formulated and refined based on years of research and feedback. Natural products don't last as long as conventional ones. Actually, because this formula is concentrated and you need just a small amount, one tube lasts 2 to 3 times longer than most commercial products. Essential oils might irritate my sensitive skin. This blend has been specifically designed for sensitive lip tissue, using only gentle, non-irritating oils in the proper dilution. It seems expensive compared to drugstore options. When we calculate cost per use and factor in the elimination of multiple products this replaces, it's actually one of the most economical options available. Let me share some experiences from our community members. Kay says AJ's EO Infusions is literally the best. Took my lips from dry and cracked to buttery smooth. T. Wilson says AJ's EO Infusions. Lip butter scrub is amazing. Perfect for chapped lips or daily care. Highly recommend. And Sean says, I absolutely love the lip butter scrub. I often get very dry and chapped lips. I've even had my lips slightly crack. Every other lip product seemed to dry it further until I discovered this product. Now my lips feel soft and hydrated. Here's how to incorporate this into your essential oil living practice. Morning routine. Apply after brushing teeth to prepare lips for the day. Evening ritual. Use before bed for overnight transformation. Pre-makeup application. Create the perfect canvas for lipstick. Seasonal transitions. Increase frequency during changing weather. Self-care moments. Pair with deep breathing for a mindful pause. If you're ready to transform your lip care routine and experience the difference of essential oil living, here's how to get started. Remember, true wellness isn't found in quick fixes, but in consistent, nurturing practices that honor your body's wisdom. Drop a comment below with your biggest lip care challenge, and I'll personally respond with customized recommendations. Until next week, keep embracing your natural radiance.